Select Personal Database. Show Rudnicky's phone number. Show Wayne. Number 1. Stand by.
You are watching a demonstration of the Carnegie Mellon Office Manager, a spoken language system built as an application within the Carnegie Mellon spoken language shell. The Office Manager provides voice access to a variety of everyday applications, such as a personal database and an appointment calendar.
Create an appointment for Friday at 11. Stand by. Voicemail. Send mail to Rudnicky and Ward. This is just to remind you of our lunch meeting this Friday. The caterer said lunch will cost $39.60, so your share will be, let's see. Stand by. Calculator. $39.60 divided by 3 equals. Clear. $39.60 divided by 3 equals. .60. $60. $13.20. So don't forget to bring your money. Stand by. Voicemail. Deliver.
The spoken language shell was developed as part of a research program whose goal is to understand spoken interaction with computers. The shell provides a number of services needed by the speech interface. We will describe each in detail. After initial signal processing to the vector quantization stage, the speech signal is passed to the attention manager. The role of the attention manager is to segment the speech stream into units corresponding to an utterance and to route these units to the recognition engine. The current system implements 3 types of attention management, 2 involving user control and the last one being under machine control. In the push-to-talk mode, mouse clicks delimit both the start and the end of an utterance.
Select Personal Database.
In the push-to-start mode, the user indicates the start of an utterance and the system determines the end point.
Show me the work number for George. Show number 1.
In a third mode, continuous listening, the system performs its own end pointing.
Give me Alex's email address. Show Philoliva's phone number.
While in this latter mode, the system can be put to sleep and reactivated by the use of a key phrase.
Stand by. Listen, please. Stand by.
A more sophisticated version of the attention manager would attend only to speech directed towards it and would ignore
Listen,
both
please.
irrelevant acoustic events and speech directed at other agents. The recognition engine uses a speech knowledge base containing lexical and grammatical information to decode an utterance into a string. The interpreted string is sent to the confirmation manager. Previous work in our laboratory has underlined the critical importance of real-time response for system usability. To achieve psychologically real-time response, which we currently define as a response lag no greater than 200 milliseconds, we use a parallelized version of the Sphinx search algorithm running on a 4-processor Apollo computer.
Select personal database. Show George. Show number 3. Stand by.
The role of the confirmation manager is to give the user control over the repair of recognition errors. A range of strategies can be implemented, from obligatory keyboard confirmation of each utterance to voice confirmation and voice editing.
7960 divided by 4 equals.
The system misunderstood parts of this utterance. Our current system allows the user to edit an input either through the keyboard or through a combination of voice and mouse. The same correction could also have been made by voice.
4. 4.
Ideally, it should be possible to correct errors by voice only, using disconfirmation and voice editing. The Task Manager, an independent process, allows the user to activate various voice-enabled applications and to shift the focus of the speech channel between them. Its role is similar to that of a window manager in a multitask environment. The Task Manager displays an icon corresponding to the destination of the voice input to allow the user to keep track of the voice focus. Currently, the focus is on the Office Manager.
Select personal database.
Voice input is now connected to the personal database.
Stand by. Select voicemail.
The system is now connected to voicemail. Voice focus is tracked independently of keyboard focus so that at least in principle, 2 independent input channels are available to the user. The applications being
Select
developed
email.
specifically for the Office Manager are meant to be interchangeably accessible by keyboard and by
Send mail
voice,
to Dave
allowing the
Pollock
user
and
to
Charles
select the
Wayne.
most appropriate mix of modalities for a particular task. The Office Manager currently consists of a personal information database, voicemail, an appointment calendar, and a calculator. Each application incorporates a frame-based parser and a mapper that communicates directly with internal application functions. The parser receives the decoded and corrected string from the Task Manager, which parses the string and generates a frame that is sent to the mapper. The mapper transforms this frame into an application command and forwards it to the application. The keyboard and mouse events are sent directly to the application on a separate channel. In the case of voicemail and the personal information database, the mapper incorporates an interactive resolution component that allows the system to clarify ambiguities in the spoken input.
Show George.
Number 1. Show me
Current
Rudnicky's
research at
phone
Carnegie
number.
Mellon is exploring the structure of
Create an
spoken
appointment.
interaction between humans and computers. Our
Create
goal
an
is to
appointment
develop
on
systems
Friday.
that have characteristics of human listeners, such as the ability to understand naturally spoken commands and the ability to correct or clarify misunderstood utterances. The decomposition used in our system concisely reflects the functional relationships existing within the spoken language interface and lends itself to straightforward implementation. After initial signal processing, the speech signal is passed to the Attention Manager, which segments the speech stream into units corresponding to an utterance and routes these units to the recognition engine. The recognition engine selects a speech knowledge base to decode the utterance into a string and sends its interpretation to the Confirmation Manager, where the user is given a chance to interact with the recognition. Once validated, the string is sent to the Task Manager, an independent process which forwards the utterance to the application in current voice focus. Each application incorporates a frame-based parser and a mapper that communicates directly with internal application functions. The Carnegie Mellon spoken
69
language
plus
shell is
9
designed as a
equals?
complete environment for developing voice-enabled applications. A number of software engineering tools, such as an automated grammar
69
compiler, a
plus
speech knowledge-based compiler,
equals.
a recognition evaluator, and a grammar perplexity evaluator are
Standby.
available for development purposes.
Select PID.
We believe that the spoken language shell is useful not only for research purposes, but that it will also provide a model for the integration of speech into the
Standby.
computer interface.